Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change YouTube video from private to public. Unprivating your YouTube videos allows a wider audience to discover, engage with, and share your content, boosting your channel's visibility and growth. So let's start the video. To unprivate your YouTube videos, first open youtube.com and make sure you are logged in. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen and select YouTube Studio from the menu. In the YouTube Studio, click on the Content tab in the left sidebar. This will take you to a page with all your uploaded videos. Find the video you want to change from private to public. So this is a private video. Here you will see a visibility column. Click on the current visibility status, which is private. A small window will pop up with three options. Select public and then click on publish button. So that's it, your video is now public and available for everyone to see. Thanks for watching.